Hello, good morning to you again. This is Spiller The IT Headhunter, and this is an unusual clip, as I mentioned in my previous video, because this is the end of the holiday season, and I'm also back from my long holiday, and now I'm preparing for the new recruitment projects. And at the moment I'm looking for a system engineer who is specialized in backup administration. And yeah, we are KBC Global Services, and we provide the different IT solutions for insurance and banking. And as I mentioned it in my previous videos several times before, the team is partly Belgian and partly Hungarian, and at the moment we are growing the Hungarian part of the team. And your team, the backup administration team, operates different data centers in Belgium and in Hungary and in the cloud, and we host the most critical applications that support banking and insurance, and every day millions of transactions flash through the system. And we do it on an extended private cloud and in the public cloud as well, which is Amazon Web Services and Azure. Yeah, and we work with different platforms, different standard platforms such as Windows and Linux, and on cloud native technologies we use Hadoop, Kubernetes and Docker, for instance. The data center infrastructure is also the responsibility of your team, which is the networks, and compute and storage. And you will also have to work together with security experts focusing on security incidents. Okay, so as for the job and your responsibilities, you will have to do daily operational management of the environment, setting up different new servers, system or software upgrades, installing new applications. Proactive system management is also part of your job, taking care of backups, preventing problems before they happen, avoiding repeated work by automating whatever you can. And you should have an eye for the details. You should go deeper and deeper when resolving an incident, and you should also take the lead in building new solutions, coming up with ideas or suggestions to improve the existing solutions, thinking about new evolutions and technologies in the market, creating added value for the business. Experiments with new products is also part of the job. So testing these new products, testing them for usability within KBC and roll them out or not, if they are not really relevant or not good for the purpose. Daily operations of enterprise IT applications, of data backup systems. To be more specific, Veritas Net Backup and the Cohesity environment. Configure, monitor and maintain backup devices such as physical tape libraries, deduplicated backup target appliances, data domains, media servers and Cohesity servers. You will also have to assist in the implementation and the migration of the Cohesity environment. You will have to manage the complete life cycle of backup and recovery infrastructure and data protection. Preventing incidents during operations is also your responsibility. You will have to keep in touch with clients and suppliers, keep system operating documentation up to date, and support for reporting obligations is also part of the job. So yeah, this was a long list, I think, a very detailed job description, and let's have a quick look of the requirements too. So an ideal candidate should have more than 3 years of experience in operating data backup systems, experience in a complex enterprise level environment. Net backup knowledge and hands-on experience is a must. Cohesity knowledge is a big advantage, but willing to learn is necessary. But you know, this is also an opportunity for you because you can learn something new. Knowledge of backup devices such as physical tape libraries, as I mentioned, deduplicated backup target appliances, data domain, software defined environment, as I mentioned in the job description. You should also have experience with server application backup on Unix, Windows and with databases. PowerShell or Python experience, scripting to automate processes or improve daily operations is a big advantage. And you should also have some knowledge of storage area networks, but you know, this is only a basic knowledge of ITIL methodology, fluent English because you will have to work with the Belgian colleagues, and you will have to give on-call support occasionally. Okay, so these were the requirements. Okay, and beside a competitive package which includes fringe benefits, which is 10% of your annual base salary, annual performance-based bonuses, Medicover, health package, company phone with mobile internet and private use, special employee discounts on banking and services. So beside this competitive package, we offer a stable environment and career opportunity, lifelong learning and different training courses, compulsory technical training courses too. Yeah, and this is an English speaking environment, so you can practice your English on a daily basis. Flexible working hours is also what we offer, so there is no check-in and no check-out, but we have very active teamwork, which means that you will have to work 2 days from the office. But we also have community life and events. For example, every week we go rowing and paddling on a dragon boat together with the colleagues. Every month we have a pizza and beer party in our club room where you can play darts as well. We have a company restaurant with a view over the Danube on the 7th floor, so I think this is just magnificent. Bicycle storage and showers and parking place if you commute by car. Okay, as for the selection process, the first step is a pre-screening call with me, then an English-speaking technical interview with the Belgian team members, so with the Scrum Master and with the technical lead, and the final step, which is rather informal and where we usually verbally give you the offer, is a Hungarian-speaking interview with the Hungarian colleagues in the Budapest office. So, apply for this job if you think that you fulfill the requirements, and if you have some more questions, then send me a LinkedIn message and I will call you back and we can have a discussion about your salary expectation as well. So thank you for your attention, thanks for watching me, thank you for your positive reactions and the feedbacks. I really appreciate your likes and resharing my content. I know that some of you do reshare my content, so keep following me on different channels such as YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and on WordPress where I have a blog. Plus the voice of these clips are also available in a podcast format on Spotify Anchor, so don't forget to follow me on social media too. Thank you very much and goodbye. Bye bye.